Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of my decluttering series. I'm hoping you're finding some useful motivation, useful tips to help you with anything that you need to declutter. So today I'm going to be tackling a little cabinet beside my desk. Now this cabinet houses some of my crafting supplies, so my crafting stock. So let's just get to it. It is a mess. It hasn't been really touched in months. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is the top shelf in this cabinet. This has the glassware. Here is the second shelf. It's just a mishmash of stuff. So I'm going to start by taking everything off this first shelf, see what I got, and just kind of get some ideas of what I'm going to keep and how I'm going to organize this little cabinet. So this is what I've pulled out. So some of these things probably won't all go back, but I am keeping the glassware stock there. So time to wipe this out. So this fun fact about this cabinet, it was being put out for I guess garbage many years ago, and my daughter's their bathroom was lacking some storage space, so I took it from it was like at my sister's condo. They were throwing it away, so I took it just for some extra cabinet space. Then we went to IKEA and we got a bigger, taller cabinet for them, and then I put it into my bathroom, and then I just readjusted stuff. So it's been with us for a while, and I've repurposed it. Okay, so here is one of the cups that are going back, and I just remembered I was going to work on putting that onto the mug. So this is what I have in terms of stock, and now these are just going to be placed somewhere else. So it's either going to be donated or thrown in the garbage or put where they're supposed to go, like that Christmas ornament, the Christmas bells, the packing tape. Second shelf, let's see what's here. Some more crafting things. Like I said, this is a craft cabinet, so this is what was in it. These are supposed to go to my cousin's kids. They are Christmas elves with their names on it. This is like a kids pack that I made for Christmas, but for my Christmas party there's hardly any little kids anymore, so I have extra. And I'm going to see what I'm going to put back on the shelf, but first I have to clean it. So that shirt I put there was because I wanted to practice doing some iron-ons, cutting out with Cricut, and then ironing on. So that will just be a practice. On the next shelf, I bought this bag, canvas bag kind of set, tote bags, probably about 3-4 years ago, with plans to practice and make tote bags, like put a saying on it. What else is there? Is again, just more craft supplies. So on the second shelf, I just have that t-shirt that I want to practice on, and the overflow of the stemware. So that's it. I've either thrown away or moved the extra items into the actual spaces that they need to go to. So that's it for this cabinet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some motivation. Just do a little corner at a time. Take care. Bye-bye.